In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off caller ID announcement on your Android smartphone. So if your phone normally reads out caller's name and phone number on all incoming calls, you can go ahead and turn off this on your Android smartphone. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your phone book. So I'll tap on my phone icon here. And then under this, go ahead and tap on these ellipses for more options. Now, if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have settings option. So I'll go ahead and open it. Now scroll down until you see under advanced, we have an option called caller ID announcement. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see announce caller ID is set to always. And because of this, we are told that caller's name and number will always be read out loud for incoming call, and this has been the status of this phone. So to turn this off, just go ahead and tap on announce caller ID and then choose the option called never. And now this option has been turned off. But should you want the announcement to be done only when you are using headsets, you can go ahead and choose this option. So for my case, I'll choose to never. From now henceforth, apart from the ringtone, the phone will not read out the caller ID and phone number. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.